Welcome to a new Wabi-Sabi story. Today I am on a mission. I'm restoring this Japanese axe to create a handcrafted gift for my wife. To do it, I will walk to the edge of the ocean, to immerse myself in this process and explore the fundamental role Wabi-Sabi plays in this journey. Let's dive right in. For this task, I chose this simple and honest Japanese axe. The handle it came with is functional, but is generic. As it is, it has no meaningful story. For a task of this kind, I want this axe to feel like an extension of my own hand. It needs to be intentional. I have several candidates to create a new, more personal handle. They all have potential. We will see later on which one will be the best suited for this axe. I'm so glad you could join me on this journey today. As I'm walking towards the place of rebirth, let me share a thought with you. My purpose is to share how Wabi-Sabi can enter our lives, helping us find beauty in everything we do. And if you find this idea resonates with you, or are curious about it, consider joining this channel. We are building a beautiful community of people who appreciate this slow and intentional way of bringing things to life. Now let's begin. This is where the transformation starts. The desire isn't to change this simple and generic axe, but to elevate it. To embed the energy of this place and the intention of the work directly into the tool itself. A small alchemic venture. As I was working and filming, I noticed the tide was rising, and I decided it would be better to move on higher grounds. And as the stones begin to sing, they confirm our theory. This blade isn't laminated, it's a simple industrial steel made for everyday work, a modern and humble workhorse. This changes things a bit. The new question arises, can I truly turn this ordinary steel into a precious tool for the task ahead? There's only one way to find out. The steel is now awakening. A new voice is being heard in its song. The untamed voice of crashing waves and the calming sound of wind are joining in a new, harmonious choir, ready to shape matter with precision and purpose. The day is now over, and I will have to be back. It's a new day, and the wind has shifted. Yesterday, it was blowing from the land to the ocean as a peaceful and gentle breeze. Today, it's blowing from the ocean. I have set up on a new rock, not too far from where I was yesterday. The wood I have chosen for this axe is Buloke, otherwise called bull oak, a native tree of this park. This is a mischievous name, as this is not actually a true oak, but a distant relative of birch and hazel tree, also considered to be one of the hardest timber in the world, but I have never worked with it before. I am curious to see how it will shape under my hand and how it will work for this axe. The grain is stunning and I'm excited to see it finished. My hands are now conversing with the wood, finding the form that feels right. This handle needs to feel like a bridge between the hand that is guiding the axe and the wood that is being shaped. A marriage between steel, wood and nature's elements. An alchemy between materials and the simplicity of Wabi-Sabi. The axe is now ready to be reborn.